how to change and add background in Telegram. For that, we have to first open up your Telegram application, and after opening your Telegram, choose a chat that you would like to change the background. And after choosing a chat, then on the upper right corner you will have a three dots icon. Click on that, and then you will have a bunch of options. Click on set wallpaper, and from here you can choose any wallpaper that you would like. And after choosing the wallpaper, you can click on apply theme, and that's it. That's how you apply it. If you want to change, or if you want to remove this, then on the upper right corner you will have a three dots icon. Click on that again, and then go to set wallpaper. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Click on no theme, and then click on apply theme, and that's it. That's how you add or change or remove your wallpaper. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.